So how to fix Windows time synchronization error? So click on Start menu, type here Run, click on it, and here you can see Run menu. So type here following command and click on OK. So now you can see time task scheduler. So expand it. Now expand Microsoft and Windows. So let's scroll a little bit. And you need to find here, let me show you, time synchronization. So click on it and select the second one. So you need to disable it and enable it back. And then make sure to click on Run if it's not running. So now let's close the menu. Now click on Start menu, type here Services. So if that method not working, try this method. So go to Services and search for Windows time. And here you need to restart it. So click on Restart. So after restart, you should restart your computer. Anyway, the last what you can try to do is click on Start menu, Control Panel, click on Category, select View by Category, and click on Date and Time in Control Panel. So here you need to change time zone. So time zone should be matched to your time zone. And then go to Internet Time. So click on it, click on Change Settings, and here you can update server. So select another server, for example this one, and click on Update Now. And after that click on OK. Apply and OK. Then close the menu and restart your computer. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.